In this video, I want to help you quickly decide which WordPress hosting option you should go with when you have chosen to use Scala Hosting. And I will link to the different products. So whether it's WordPress or shared hosting, I'm going to link to the different products. So if you want to host WordPress, the options that are there, you can use a managed cloud. Now with managed cloud, you'll get help managing the server. This is the priciest of them all. But with this, you can host multiple websites because you'll have the server, and the guys at Scala Hosting are going to help you set it up and do most of the things that comes with the managed service. Then the next option that you have is web hosting. Web hosting is just shared hosting. So with this, you're going to get access to the panel, and then you can install various scripts. One of them, of course, is WordPress. And then WordPress hosting, this is managed WordPress hosting. And then, of course, the other option is self-managed cloud VPS. Now, of course, this is just a traditional VPS, and you'd have to set up everything by yourself. And the good thing with the self-managed cloud VPS from Scala Hosting is that it comes with SPanel, which is like cPanel. So let's just look at the different prices to see what you should expect when you are making your choice. So let's start with managed cloud. These are slightly pricier than the other options. For example, if you go for 1 month, it will be $49, and that includes the price of support. Support is going to help you with setup, and any problems that you have, you can always reach out to support and they will assist you. That is a benefit of a managed VPS. That is a pricing based on the monthly payment period. If you want to reduce the price, of course, you can sign up for the annual plan and the 3-year plan. But of course, it's always a good idea. Just start with the shortest plan to see how it is, and then you can go to a longer term plan depending on how your experience has been. The next one here, let's look at web hosting, and this is just shared hosting. You'll get access to your control panel, and then on your control panel you can install anything that you need, and you'll see there you're going to get one-click installer, and this of course comes with WordPress and a bunch of other scripts. This one as well, if you go with the 1-year plan or the 3-year plan, that's the price. If you go for the 1 month, that is the price. I'll do a demo of this in a future video. And then the other option is WordPress hosting. Now this is managed WordPress hosting, and here you don't have to do anything with your server. Your WordPress will automatically get installed. You'll get your WordPress access, and then you can use that to access your WordPress and then build your website. And it's important to note that with the first plan, you're going to get one WordPress website. With the other plans, you can have multiple WordPress sites, unlimited WordPress sites. So of course, as with the others, when you go for a month, the pricing is that. When you go for a year and 3 years, that will be the pricing per month. So if you have multiple websites and you know that you're going to have multiple websites that need lots of resources, you should probably go with the entry cloud because it's going to give you guaranteed CPU. You're not going to share resources with other sites on the server. And then the other option for WordPress hosting, if you want to host WordPress, you can go the self-managed VPS route. So if you're a sysadmin and you can manage your own server, then this is the option you should probably go with. However, the other options, of course, are for people who don't have the system admin skills needed to run and troubleshoot their own server. So in brief, if you have the skills to set up your server, troubleshoot the server on your own, you should go with this option, which is a self-managed cloud VPS, but it also comes with a free control panel. So this is a huge advantage for using this because you're going to get the control panel for free. So instead of setting up a server on DigitalOcean, you might as well just come here and set it up on Scala Hosting because you're going to get a free control panel that is like cPanel. And then web hosting, if you've used shared hosting before, you can get shared hosting, which is much cheaper, and install your WordPress. Just note that you can install one WordPress on the first plan. The other plans, you have unlimited WordPress. And then, of course, WordPress managed hosting. This is the one, of course, I'd recommend if you want to run WordPress and you're sure you'll only be running WordPress, then you can just go with the managed WordPress hosting. So I hope this is going to guide you towards which option to go with when you're looking to host your WordPress on Scala Hosting. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need any specific video tutorial, let me know as well. See you next time in another video.